Here we are at HPC headquarters in Chatsworth, California. This is Derek Hunt, co-owner of HPC, with his brother, Chris Hunt.
How's it going? Today I'm going to show you the different motors we have. We'll start with the smallest one. This is our 1000 watt to 1500 watt motor we use. It's a 24 millimeter magnets. You can see it's much thinner than, say, our 35 millimeter one. And what this is good for, it's 12 pounds, so you save a couple pounds in weight. And for what it is, for a low power system, it's a very efficient motor that's good to work even if you want 1000 or 1500 watts. The next up is by far our most popular system. These are a custom wind 35 millimeter motor. It's for 135 millimeter dropouts. We use this motor on our 2000 to 3500 watt kits, and these motors are actually wound for the actual voltage you'll be using it at, so that makes sure you have the peak efficiency in the system. And you can see that we have our new custom axles that are actually 20% stronger and thicker than before for our new versions. So this is actually 14 millimeters by 10 for this side. This just makes sure that you're not going to have any axle problems, you're not going to break axles. It's just much stronger than before. And you can also see, actually, these are new. We have new temp sensors and new high current connectors on all of our motors, including a thicker silver plated wire. So that just makes sure better heat dissipation, better efficiency, etc. Next up on the line is our 4000 watt motor. Now this motor is a little bit different than this other 2000 watt motor. It features windings made for 90 volt, which makes for the 4000 watt system, you're going to have higher efficiency compared to using this motor at 90 volts. And it also has active air cooling, so it lets the motor stay cool under load, as well as the temp sensor.
And this one here, it looks like it's on the rim. What is this?
Yeah, this one only comes laced with the rim.
Awesome.
This is our 5000 watt Revolution motor. You can see the size of it. It's a little bit bigger. It weighs about 17 pounds. Also air cooled. And these are also custom windings for 96 and our 90 volt systems. This is the most efficient motor we have. This is just the best of the best. You can't get much better than this one for efficiency, power, and performance.
Good. So recapping here, it looks like you've got 4 different type of motors here. You're looking at the 24 millimeter, a 35 millimeter for the 2000 to 3500 watt range. This is the vented higher winding 35 millimeter with the vent cooling. And then this final one here is the 5000 watt system motor. It's a 40 millimeter width. That's also vented. Does this one also have the thermal?
This also has thermal. Yes, it does. It features our thicker gauge wires, our XT150 connectors, and the thermal management with the plug. And we don't want to forget our geared motors. These are popular for people that want the most lightest weight, most efficient bike they can possibly get. These are 8.7 pounds. These motors. They feature a one-way clutch, so after you stop pedaling, it'll completely disengage, so you can totally freewheel and pedal like a normal bike. These are good for people that still want to pedal, stay on road, highest efficiency. Now these are good for the 1000 watt, 1500 and 2000 watt systems, and they actually produce a little more power than the gearless stuff, just because they have a 5-to-1 gear reduction. So the motor is always in the efficient range, especially for the mid-range. So they have really good power for lower wattage for the system.
Awesome. Well, there you go. Derek Hunt, appreciate you showing us.
Yep.
We've got the full line of motors for high-powered cycles. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
If you would like to place an order, give us a call at 916-365-2313. For more information, you can also visit our website at www.hightrekcycles.com on all our electric bikes and products.